Hi everyone, welcome to the October 2025 property market update for Portsmouth and Southsea. In this video, we're going to cover a market snapshot for October 2025, what the buyer and seller activity has been like, what the rental market's like, what we're expecting to see or what we're wondering what we're going to see in the autumn statement, and what the outlook for November will be. As we move through autumn, the local market remains steady, and with the government's autumn statement fast approaching, many homeowners, buyers and landlords are watching closely to see what it could mean for them. Let's have a look at a market snapshot. So for October 2025, the Portsmouth property market has held firm, showing little signs of the usual seasonal slowdown that we have in October. We had 419 new listings in September, and that compares with 360 in October. That is also 4% down year on year. The average sale price sits at £272,156, which is 6% lower than this time last year. On average, homes are taking around 64 days to sell. That is slightly longer than we've had in previous months where we've been at 55-60 days. Now, the buyer and seller activity, we're finding that well-presented and realistically priced homes are still attracting serious buyers. Overpricing continues to slow things down, so getting the price right from the start is key. There were 298 sales agreed across Portsmouth and Southsea in October. Now that is up 28% year on year, and it's also higher than the 247 sales that were agreed in September. Buyers, with mortgage rates stabilising around 4.8%, confidence is starting to return. Many buyers though are waiting for the autumn statement to see whether there'll be a stamp duty change or incentives for them. Now let's have a look at the rental market. Rental demand across Portsmouth and Southsea remains strong. The average monthly rent is £1,335 per calendar month, and that's up 3% year on year. With the Renters' Right Act in place, it's more important than ever for the price of rent to be competitive. What we want is to attract plenty of interest, and therefore you can choose the best possible tenant. Many landlords are watching the autumn statement for potential tax or energy related updates that could affect their returns. So in general, what are we looking for the property market with the autumn statement? It could influence the market in several key ways. So we're looking for support for first-time buyers, possible tweaks to stamp duty thresholds, incentives for energy-efficient upgrades, particularly valuable for Portsmouth's Victorian homes, updated inflation and interest rate forecasts which directly affect mortgage affordability heading into 2026. Even small policy changes can have a ripple effect locally, so we'll be breaking down the details as soon as the announcements are made. What's the outlook for November? Well, as the year winds down, the market usually cools slightly, but we're finding that there are still motivated buyers out there. If the autumn statement delivers positive news, we could see a small boost in sales before Christmas. But what this means for everyone: sellers, with fewer homes coming to the market, a strong listing can really stand out. Buyers, stay ready. Any government incentives could really trigger new competition. Landlords, keep an eye on tax or EPC updates. Being proactive now could save you money later. So, final thoughts. In short, October has been a steady month for the Portsmouth and Southsea property market. Balanced prices, healthy rental demand, and a market waiting for direction from the autumn statement. We're going to be back soon with a full breakdown of what those announcements mean locally. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for your monthly Portsmouth and Southsea market updates. I'll see you again next month.